NAFIC is a great platform and place for people to discuss and deliver up-to-date news and information of this ever-changing and evolving industry.
I think all the attendees are able to get together and better understand the legislation that's changing within the different states it's moving into. I think if we all come together, it's a lot for us to learn, and we're able to grow our business a lot more.
We've been really excited to see this meeting come to fruition. We really have a solid voice moving forward on important legislative and other issues that affect all of us.
I absolutely think NAFIC and this conference are going to begin to grow. The freestanding emergency center industry is growing exponentially. We provide a valuable service to patients. It's only going to continue to spread across the country.
There's been a lot of different people that we've seen, a lot of speakers that have been so influential into the business and being able to better let us understand what's going on in the market.
My name is Rafi Kazi. I'm a partner and CIO at Cobate. Cobate is an IT management company that specializes in healthcare IT and ER.
Cobate is a wonderful company that we've partnered with. They provide a variety of IT solutions, including hosting of products and maintenance and a lot of different things for our clients.
Cobate brings great value to my existing business. When I met Cobate, my IT solutions were fragmented. I had multiple vendors helping me with IT. They made one stop. It was an easy solution for us.
We work really close with Cobate. All of our stuff depends on a very solid infrastructure and solid network, and we can always depend on Cobate to make sure that's in place when we show up with our equipment.